Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to download Facebook onto your phone, either you are using iPhone or Android phone. So before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So what you have to do first is for you to go over to your Apple Store or your Play Store, whichever one you're using. So over here is Apple Store. You have to go over to the search area, and what you have to do is for you to search in Facebook, and you're going to see Facebook. So some people do use Facebook Lite, so let's go over to Facebook, and over here at Facebook you're going to see download instead of update. So you just have to go over to it. You'll be able to download your Facebook into your mobile without any stress. And how to create your account on Facebook, I'm going to keep the link on my description where you can be able to go and watch how to create your Facebook account. And guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.